is there anything else that you would like to say about the Scout or about upcoming projects or whatever? And
Well,
for anybody watching, is there anything that you want to ask Tommy? Because yeah, put it in the comments now so that we can be sure to get to it.
Yeah, I'll stick around till 6 or so.
Cool.
But yeah, thank you for that.
Yeah, no problem.
Time awareness. Thank you. I'm excited about the Scout and what it opens up for me. I am planning a Scout 2, tentatively featured to have more keys and polyphony, so it'll add the diodes that we talked about previously.
Nice.
If anybody's interested in that, I can, I don't know, share stuff with you. I usually don't, all my stuff is open source, but I don't necessarily share the progress because I don't like a lot of peanut gallery comments. I like to wait until I like to wait until I can ship it and then I push. But if anybody's very interested in that, I'm happy to share.
I'm interested.
And what else can I say? 2021 was a nice year for Oscatone.
Cool.
2022, I'm hoping we'll continue that trajectory. So I've got some plans, and they probably, again, with the chip shortage, they probably won't be as smart. You know what I mean? Like, it'll probably be stuff closer to the APC, less musical, more noisy, less musical utility, more, I don't know, noise toy.
You know, for people like Robin and myself who don't really have any musical talent or training, noise machines are super great.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
we can't do anything wrong with them. So
yeah.
it's kind of nice. We automatically feel like virtuosos from the moment that we